Hello dear friends, this is the Phone Support channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to delete your channel on YouTube. You will be able to delete it permanently and the process will take a couple of minutes. How to do it? I'm going to show you how to do it from your iPhone. But you can do it again from your computer as well as from your Android. Watch. First, we need to go not to the app, but specifically to the browser. You can't delete your channel in the YouTube app. We go to any browser. I go into Safari. Then we open a search and find YouTube. We roll up the site. Then we click on our profile. And we log into the exact account that we want to delete. That is, enter the channel that we will now delete. We click Sign In and go into the profile. If you are already logged in, then skip this point. Once you're logged in, click on the profile icon and go a little lower. Here we find the item YouTube Creative Studio. Click on that button. And click on the button. Open a new tab. Dig out a new tab in the browser, but not in the application. Otherwise, it won't work. You press Open Browser. Continue on the site. We wait a couple of seconds. Now here we enlarge this window. We find the item with the settings. Open this item. Click on the item, Channel. Then we select the item, Advanced Settings. Go down below and find the item, Remove Content from YouTube, and click on, I want to delete my content forever. If it says, I want to hide my channel, then this feature will just hide your channel. But it won't remove it. We are interested in complete deletion. Click on the second item. Go down to the bottom. Next, we read a warning that if we click on this checkbox, our channel will be permanently deleted. This will delete all playlists, subscribers, comments, and everything else related to your channel. Turn this checkbox on and also turn the checkbox on the second item. And click Delete My Content. After you click on all these buttons, your account will be permanently deleted. This is a great way for people who want to completely delete their YouTube channel. This was the Phone Support channel. Like it and subscribe to the channel. See you later.